What is good, YouTube? It's the Hemi Twins back here with another video. You feel what I'm saying? So we got a vlog for y'all boy today. So we just purchased a new gun. You feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna be going to the gun range, and you know we're gonna be giving y'all a vlog. And we got another mod for the Scat, so y'all boy wanna watch this whole video and stay tuned, man. But first and foremost, Happy New Year's to you guys. Hopefully y'all touch everything y'all want to touch this year. 2023 is the year for you guys to touch that Scat pack, that Hellcat, you name it. Any car you want to get for real, or a house or anything, man. So it's a new year, so y'all boys surround yourself with positivity, motivation, and determination, man. And y'all boys stay consistent, even on Instagram, YouTube, you name it, man. TikTok, y'all boys stay consistent. And 2023 is y'all boy year, man. So y'all boys stay tuned. So yeah, you heard what my boy Jay said. 2023 is the year. So 2022, y'all heard of us, man. 2023 is the year for us to really be doing this YouTube. You feel what I'm saying? So and get out there, man. And get out to the YouTube a lot more. So this is the year. So we need y'all boy to stay tight and stay with us throughout this whole year. I promise you guys, you don't want to miss this one. And make sure boy like every video, comment on every video, and share out every video, man. So yeah, so we're gonna be taking y'all along with us today. Let us know if y'all want to see more vlogs like this. As you guys can see, we is growing out our hair, man. So you know, we is Afro twins for the meantime. You feel me? So we is gonna grow our hair. We don't know what we're gonna do to our hair just yet. So I don't know, man. Y'all boy put in the comment section, man. What should we do with our hair? Go back to waves or to get design? Let us know. Alright, y'all boys. So we got the Drake right here. If you want, we got the blocks right here. We got the AR. Little thing right there, man. We're gonna see. Alright, y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? We never shot a Jacob before. So this is gonna be our first time, y'all boys. So y'all boy, let us know in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? So
Hey guys, you need to shoot that further down. That high powered. Go to at least 15 with that gun right there. You shot it before? Mm-hmm. Okay.
if someone turn around and look at you like that, you already know them boy about to lie. John got a lot of recoil. John got a lot of recoil. About 5 in it. I think do got a lot of recoil. Go ahead, Taylor.
Hey, what number you in for? 5? Yeah. How much you got in?
That full clip, I think 30 in there. Alright, y'all boy, he's shooting the AR thing.
Those 223.
shoot that 19 right quick. Oh, son. Jennifer 19. See? As y'all can see, it is pretty dark out here tonight, man. You know, we got a new mod that we're gonna be doing to the Scat. You feel what I'm saying? And I feel like the only way you're gonna see the mod is if it's nighttime. You know what I'm saying? So the mod that we got here today, young boy, is the shadow light. You know what I'm saying? The shadow light. These is the lights that goes on your passenger and driver side door on the ground, and this will be showing Scat Pack, Hellcat, RT, whatever car you got. You feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna be showing y'all how to install it. So hopefully y'all can see everything. I'm gonna try our best to show y'all what to do and what my fashion is. Alright, so first step is you want to come over here, and this left knob right here, you want to push this all the way up. Now y'all can see these yellow lights right here, right? Y'all don't want that, man, so we're gonna swap those out. All you're gonna need is a flat head right here. You're just gonna pry it open. It's a tab right here on the right side. On the right side right there, y'all. Just poke that over with the flathead. Use the flathead to get that, disconnect that pin. And once you got that pin out, you want to get, hopefully I can get it right, but you want to get one of the shadow lights right here. And plug it in. And now y'all can see the Scat on the ground. So next we just gotta put it in there, and boom. That is a big difference, y'all boy. Just imagine opening up your door. Like, let me give y'all boy a preview. See what's in. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all boy got the Scat Pack on the ground, so if anyone come near you and see the door on the ground, they gonna see that Scat. You feel what I'm saying? So we can hurry up and do this next side, because it is pretty dark out here, but it's just a quick, easy install, y'all boy. Nothing too hard to do. You don't need it right over here. Alright, so same. Alright, same thing over here. So this knob is going to be on the left side. So you pry it open on the left side. Disconnect your pin with the flathead screwdriver. Now connect the pin, and that's pretty much it. So now we're just gonna put this back in the door, and boom. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, we installed another mod to the Scat, man. Hopefully y'all enjoy this mod. This is like a $20 to $25 mod. It's not very expensive, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, as y'all can see, man, we is growing out here, man. So if y'all made a fart in this video, make sure y'all put Afro Twins in the comment section. You feel what I'm saying? If y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. Can we get at least 40+ likes on this video? You feel what I'm saying? It's the Hemi Twins, and we out.